little brown dappler. Well, here we are at the Wiener Dog Races 2014.
Before we announce the winners for this, there's going to be team.
There's another weenie.
Team competition. Will be in just a moment, so if you're going to be part of the team competition, go down to the paddock. In the meantime, let's introduce our winners
Weenie.
for the costume contest. The one who judged the prize of the judges the most was the Caterpillar dog. Here's the Caterpillar dog.
Okay, here we go. Coming over.
You have to suit up before you come back on. Hurry up. We'll bring him down on the floor. Second place was the Village Dog.
Hi, weenies.
Everybody do the song. What's that song? See, there you go. All right. Most of the dogs do that. And third place was the Pinata.
Alright. Hi, baby.
So those three winners come down and get their prizes here. So we're going to start the team contest in just a moment.
There's a dappler. Oh, look at that.
After this will be the juvenile races.
Alright. We'll be right back.